today's tool is the Systems Requirements document. Okay, welcome back everyone. Thank you again for joining. Very, very excited. So today we're going to cover the Systems Requirements document. So let's start like we always do with the definition. So the Systems Requirements document captures the technical requirements for a project. The functional analyst creates the document mainly for software development projects. A software project contains technical information that must be described and documented. Clearly, if you want your developers and your testers and your designers to create a project or create a system, you're going to want someone to document that. And so the purpose of the System Requirements document is to map the customer's requests for a software system into technical terms for the development team. Right? So that's a pretty simple, pretty easy definition. So we're looking at the planning question. So have a look at that. So when would the development, for example, when would you develop this? Well, you're going to do it in the initiation phase, right? You're going to do it right when you've captured the requirements. And so maybe initiation planning, but really in the beginning stages when you've got your customer requirements and you want to start flipping those over into technical requirements. Who's going to use them? Generally, all team members use them across the board. Like we said, the functional analyst is one that develops it, or the program manager who's playing that functional analyst role will develop it. Why are you going to use the tool? You have to take the business requests and flip those into a system, right? And so, hey, I want a system that does this, or I want a mobile app that does that, right? Well, you need to take those business questions and those business requirements and flip them into technical, because your developers, your testers, your designers are going to need to understand what needs to be built. How will you distribute it? When will you distribute it? Right? What decisions can you make? Right? You're going to make all the decisions around the technical requirements. And so when you think about planning to use the Systems Requirements documents, great sets of questions here to really help you understand and how to drive this tool. Okay? So let's look at the document itself. So here it is here. There's that definition. We talk about some social media, how to use it in social media. And then we'll come down like we always do and we'll look at this this table of contents. And so it's a large document, right? As you can see, it's a large document. You've got business procedure mapping, business requirements, business process, system design, system overview, system objectives, system constraints, system interfaces, user designs, functional processes, right? This list goes on and on. This is a very, very big document that's got a number of different sections to it. But again, what are you doing here? You're describing in detail the technical requirements for this system that you're about to build. So again, we put a large table of contents there just mainly because you really want to go through and understand exactly what you need to capture so it can be developed, so it can be tested, it can be designed. And so this is where you'd store all that information within this document. Planning to use the tool again, and then reporting on the tool. So lots of great stuff there. And then as we scroll down, we talk about creating it and the process of capturing that. And then here are those same table of contents, but what we've done is we've got that great description. So you know exactly what you put into this section. So it can be a Word document, most likely a Word document. It's probably too big to put into a PowerPoint. You'll probably put into a Word document and get this thing documented. So it doesn't really matter the format you use, but you want all this goodness and you want all these sections. So really, really important. I just wanted to describe that real quickly and show you that, hey, we've got a lot of the details here and all the sections, but of course you've got a description exactly what to put in there. So that's all I have again today. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like it, subscribe, and tell your friends about it. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much, and I'll see you online. Thanks. Excited to walk you through this. So as part of our course that we've been walking through, the Project Management Communication Tools course I've been putting up on YouTube and you guys have been watching, a lot of people are asking me about how do I get the actual files and how do I get this information. So a couple things I wanted to point out. If you jump into the paid tools, there's really 2 or 3 components I want to show you here. First of all the various PDF files. So for projects, for small projects, here's a PDF file. And what we've done, and you've seen this before, but we've broken down the tools of what you should use for small projects, what you should use for medium projects, what you should use for large projects. So we've broken all those down. And so as we go through this course, you're going to see, and I'll just jump into one of them, for example, you're going to see it's really a PDF of the book. It's 158 pages. So as we go through the course and we look at customer requirements and you actually see all the text and stuff that we're going through, that comes directly from the book. And so what we've done here is we've broken them down. So small projects from 1 week to 3 months. Here are the tools in initiation. Here are the tools in planning, and so on and so on. So you guys can go check those out on my store at any time. I'll come back, and again, of course, there's the medium projects and then for large projects. Now, again, if you're looking for the tools, so you actually love these and you don't want to hand type these tools are certainly right available right there. So again, it's really, really important as we walk through and you guys understand the tools and you want to start using the tools, you can certainly hand type all these tools, not a problem, or you can spend that low price and grab these tools and make them available for you right now. So very, very excited. I just want to spend a couple of minutes. It's dowpublishingllc.com/store-2. Very easy to find. The files are right there. And again, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks.